In this video, I will do an unboxing and overview of the JLab Talk Pro USB microphone. I would like to mention that this is an unsponsored video. I'm a longtime user of the Yeti Blue USB microphone. The JLab microphone caught my attention, so I decided to pick one up and test it out. The JLab Talk Pro is being sold as a professional grade microphone. It has a quality resolution of 192 kHz at 24 bits to ensure that the recording is clear, detailed, and offers a stunning sound range. The JLab Talk Pro microphone has 4 pattern modes. There's cardioid, which is good for individual calls, gaming, streaming, voiceovers, and podcasting. There is Omni, which is good for business calls, group streaming, group voiceovers, and multi-person podcasting. There is the stereo pattern mode, which is good for music recording. There's also the bi-directional pattern mode, which is good for a 2-person interview, streaming, voiceovers, or duet music recording. You may also easily control your recording and adjust the gain control if there is any sensitivity, lack of sound, or distortion. You can also choose your audio preference with the adjustments and the loudness with the volume control. Talk Pro also features a quick mute button for easy access and a 3.5mm auxiliary input for real-time listening. This microphone also supports plug and play and includes a 10-foot USB cable. Now, let's take a look at what's inside the box. Inside the box, underneath the protective styrofoam covering, you'll find the contents. There is a small tripod, which can be screwed into the base of the microphone. The microphone is also included inside this box, and on the front of the microphone, there are several indicators. There is an indicator for the mode, there is the quick mute button, there is also the indicator for the volume and gain control. On the back of the microphone, there is the gain knob and the volume knob. The microphone base is on a 90-degree swivel, and on the bottom you have the connector for the USB cable, an auxiliary for your ear jack, a screw mount for a boom, and also a button to change the lights that are around the bottom of the microphone. Also included in the box is the USB cable and quick start instructions. The included USB cable is a 10-foot gold-plated braided cable. Now let's take a look at how this works. Now that the microphone is plugged in, let's see the operation. The top indicator indicates which mode you're in. The mute button, easy access right there. It's red when it's muted, green when it's not. The toggle switch or button at the bottom toggles between the modes. When you adjust the volume on the back, the indicator is blue for your headphones. And when you adjust the gain, you have green. On the bottom, there is a button. If you press the button, you can see that it changed the lights that's displayed on the bottom of the microphone. Now let's take a look to see how this works. As far as how the microphone sounds, I've been using it to record this entire video.